Welcome. In this video we're going to talk about the Theorem of Pappus, and I'm going to give you an example. So let's get started, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe, please. So the Theorem of Pappus. So the Theorem of Pappus says that so Pappus was from Alexandria. He was a Greek mathematician. Alexandria. So he came up with the formula for a volume of a solid of revolution to be equal to volume equals 2 pi r times the area. So what is R and what is A? So let's say you have a solid. The example that I'm gonna give you, I'm gonna tell you what the theorem says, but I'm gonna relate it. I'm gonna give you the picture of the example that I'm gonna use, so that way you can relate it to the actual theorem. So let's say you have you remember in solids of revolution they give you a bounded region. So in this case I'm gonna give you the region is bounded by the line y equals x and y equals 4 and x equals 0. So it is this region, and I'm going to rotate it about the x-axis. So what the Theorem of Pappus says that is that if you find the centroid or the center of mass of a region, so in other words, from the centroid would be here for a triangle. If you find it, and then you take the distance all the way to the line of revolution or the axis of revolution, this distance here is equal to r. So that's this one, and then A is the area of the, so this is distance and this is area of region. So that's what the Theorem of Pappus says. It gives you the formula for the volume. Okay. So in this picture, this will be 0, 0. This will be 0, 4. This will be 4, 4. That's what the theorem says. So the theorem says that the volume is this, and then this is R and this is A. R and the A. So let's find R. So first, to find R, I need to find the centroid of this region. But this region is a triangle, so I know that the centroid of a triangle is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 all over 3, and then y1 plus y2 plus y3 all over 3. So if you notice here, your x's are 0, 0, 4. That means that this is equal to 4 over 3. And then your y's are 4, 4, 0. So that would be A over 3. So this is your centroid, this one. So now to find the distance from here to here, so that would be R has to be the y of your center of the triangle. So that would be R has to be A over 3, because it's the y from the centroid all the way to here. And now the area of a triangle, of course, area has to equal to 1/2 base times height, which is equal to 1/2 times 4 times 4, which is equal to 1/2 times 4 times 4, which is equal to 8. And then by the theorem of Pappus, it says that the volume of this solid of revolution is equal to 2 pi r a, which is equal to 2 pi a over 3 times 8. And that's equal to 1 that's equal to 128 over 3 times pi. So this will be your final answer. So remember, for the theorem of Pappus, the volume of a solid or revolution or a region is equal to this. So first you need to find the centroid of the region, then you need to find the distance r from the centroid to the axis of revolution, and then you need to find the area of the region, and then you plug it in and you get your volume by the solid created by the region rotated about the axis of revolution. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, please.